A strong foundation building a healthier you. Our bodies are incredible. They are complex systems that work tirelessly to keep us moving, breathing, and living. From the smallest cells to the largest organs, every part of our body plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. It's important to recognize and appreciate the amazing capabilities of our bodies. They carry us through life, allowing us to experience the world. Whether it's hiking up a mountain to witness a breathtaking view or simply walking through a park, our bodies enable us to connect with nature and the environment around us. These experiences enrich our lives and contribute to our mental and emotional health. We can move, dance, and explore because of our bodies. Dancing to our favorite tunes, exploring new cities, and engaging in physical activities bring joy and excitement to our lives. These moments of movement are not just fun, they are also essential for maintaining our physical health and vitality. Taking care of our physical well-being is essential. This means staying hydrated, eating nutritious foods, and engaging in regular physical activity. Stretching, for example, helps maintain flexibility and prevent injuries. It's about making small, consistent efforts to support our body's needs. When we feel strong and flexible, we feel our best. Strength training and yoga are excellent ways to build muscle, improve flexibility, and enhance overall fitness. These activities not only make us physically stronger, but also boost our confidence and mental resilience. This journey towards a healthier you begins with a single step. It could be as simple as tying your shoelaces before a workout or taking a deep breath before starting a yoga session. Every small action counts and contributes to your overall health journey. It's about listening to your body and giving it the love and attention it deserves. Meditation and self-care practices are vital for maintaining mental and emotional balance. Taking time to meditate, reflect, and show yourself compassion can significantly impact your overall well-being. Are you ready to begin? Embrace the journey with determination and an open heart. Preparing for a yoga session or any physical activity with a positive mindset sets the tone for a fulfilling experience. It's about being present and fully engaging in the moment. Let's explore the amazing world of yoga together. Yoga offers a unique blend of physical exercise, mental relaxation, and spiritual growth. By practicing yoga, you can enhance your flexibility, strength, and inner peace. Join us on this journey to discover the transformative power of yoga and build a healthier, happier you. Yoga uniting body, mind, and breath. Yoga is an ancient practice that connects us to our breath. Through movement and mindful breathing, we create a sense of harmony within. Yoga helps us feel less stressed. It improves digestion and allows us to sleep more soundly. Imagine feeling calmer, more energized, and deeply connected to yourself. That's the power of yoga. It's a journey of self-discovery, and the best part, you can begin right now exactly where you are. Simple poses, powerful benefits, finding strength and flexibility. Yoga is for everyone. You don't need fancy studios or expensive equipment. We'll explore simple yet effective yoga poses. These poses build strength, enhance flexibility, and improve your posture. Remember, yoga is a practice, not a competition. Be kind to your body and move at your own pace. Together, we'll flow through these poses, connecting our breath to each movement. Are you ready to feel amazing? Let's get started. Mountain pose, Tadasana, standing tall and grounded. This pose is more than just a physical stance. It is a mental and emotional grounding as well. It is the foundation from which all other standing poses in yoga emerge, symbolizing stability and strength. Our journey begins with mountain pose, the foundation of all standing poses. This pose teaches us the importance of balance and alignment, both physically and mentally. It is a reminder to find our center and stand firm in our beliefs and values. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, arms relaxed by your side. Feel the alignment of your body from the soles of your feet to the crown of your head. This alignment is crucial for maintaining balance and stability in the pose. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Imagine the earth supporting you, providing a solid foundation. This connection to the ground is essential for feeling grounded and secure in the pose. Imagine roots growing down from your soles, connecting you to the earth. These roots symbolize your connection to the world around you, grounding you in the present moment and providing stability. Lengthen your spine, lifting the crown of your head towards the sky. This elongation creates space in your body, allowing for better posture and alignment. It also symbolizes reaching for your highest potential. Breathe deeply, feeling your chest expand with each inhale. This deep breathing calms the mind and energizes the body, helping you to stay present and focused in the pose. Mountain pose is a powerful reminder to stand tall and embrace your inner strength. It encourages you to find stability and balance in your life both on and off the mat. As you practice this pose, remember to stay grounded, breathe deeply, and reach for your highest potential. Warrior 2 or Virabhadrasana 2, cultivating strength and focus. This pose is a powerful way to build both physical and mental resilience. It is a staple in many yoga practices due to its ability to engage multiple muscle groups and enhance concentration. Step your feet wide apart, turning your right foot outward and your left foot slightly inward. This foundational stance sets the stage for the strength and stability that Warrior 2 offers. Ensure your feet are firmly grounded, creating a solid base. Bend your right knee, aligning it over your ankle. This alignment is crucial for protecting your knee joint and maximizing the benefits of the pose. Feel the engagement in your quadriceps and the stretch in your inner thighs. Extend your arms parallel to the floor, gazing gently over your right hand. Your arms should be strong and active, reaching out with intention. This extension not only builds upper body strength but also encourages a sense of expansiveness and openness. Feel the strength in your legs and the openness in your chest. Warrior 2 is not just about physical strength, it also opens the heart and lungs, promoting better breathing and circulation. Embrace the power and stability that this pose brings to your entire body. Warrior 2 teaches us to face challenges with courage and grace. As you hold this pose, imagine yourself as a warrior, strong and unyielding, yet graceful and composed. This duality is what makes Warrior 2 so unique and beneficial. We find our inner strength and cultivate a sense of focus. The mental discipline required to maintain this pose translates into greater focus and clarity in our daily lives. It reminds us that we can remain calm and centered even in the face of adversity. Breathe deeply, embracing the power of this pose. Each breath should be full and intentional, fueling your body and mind. Let the breath guide you, deepening your connection to the pose and enhancing your overall practice. Warrior 2 is a testament to the strength and focus that lies within us all. Downward facing dog, also known as Adho Mukha Svanasana, is a full-body stretch. From mountain pose, step back into a plank position. Lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Press your hands firmly into the mat, spreading your fingers wide. Feel a stretch in your shoulders, hamstrings, and calves. Downward facing dog is an incredible full-body stretch that releases tension and calms the mind. Breathe deeply, allowing your body to relax and rejuvenate. Child's pose, or balasana, is all about finding rest and release. Kneel on your mat with your knees wider than hip width apart. Bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels. Fold forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Extend your arms forward, palms facing down. Child's pose is a place of rest and surrender. It's a gentle way to stretch your spine, hips, and thighs. Breathe deeply, allowing yourself to release any tension or stress. Tips for your yoga journey. Listen to your body. Remember, yoga is a personal practice. Listen to your body and honor its limits. Start slowly and gradually increase the duration and intensity of your practice. It's okay to modify poses to suit your needs. Find a quiet space where you feel comfortable and relaxed. Practice mindfulness, paying attention to your breath and how your body feels. Most importantly, enjoy the journey. Yoga is a lifelong exploration of self-discovery. Embrace the journey yoga for a vibrant life. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier you. By incorporating these simple yoga poses into your daily routine, you're choosing to nourish your body, mind, and soul. Remember, yoga is not about perfection, it's about progress. Each time you step on your mat, you're creating space for growth, flexibility, and inner peace. Embrace the journey and discover the transformative power of yoga in your life. Namaste.